Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing the Sephora Favorites Pop Set for October 2020. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, Sephora used to have a monthly makeup and skincare subscription box. It was called the Play Box. And they stopped it a while back, and made me kind of sad because I enjoyed my pop boxes, although sometimes the samples seem to be getting smaller and smaller and smaller. It was only $10 a month, but you know, we were getting a lot of repeat products and the samples were getting smaller and smaller, so they did stop the subscription. And that's when I found things like Ipsy, and I'm not really all that upset about it anymore. But they now, instead, they occasionally offer these Sephora Favorites Pop Sets. And according to their website, this is a 6-piece sample set packed with Sephora's top trending brands and most buzzed about makeup, skincare, hair care, and fragrance products. So this box is $15. I just got it. It is the one for October. They are still in stock as of, well, at least as of when I'm filming this. And the box is $15. So let's see what's in it and whether it's worth it. Okay, so our first item is from Rare Beauty. So talk about, you know, I mean, these clearly are newer brands. This is the Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. I reviewed the whole Rare Beauty launch in an earlier video. I will link it up above, but I love the primer. I do continue to reach for it, continue to use it. It would not surprise me if I were to repurchase it when the time comes that I run out of it. I do have a number of primers, so it's not like I use the same one every day. It will take a while, but when the time comes, it is very well maybe one that I repurchase. Here is the size of the one that's in here. Again, these are all samples in this box. You're not going to get full-size items, but the box is only $15. The Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer from Rare Beauty is available in 2 sizes at retail. There's a 28 milliliter one for $25 and a 15 milliliter for $14, which is the one I got initially. This deluxe sample is 5 milliliters, so it is a third of the size of the mini. So it gives it a value of about $4.67. This will actually make a really good item for traveling, so I don't have to bring the whole great big one with me. Okay. Next, from Melt Cosmetics, this is a liquid lipstick. There were 31 shades of the liquid lipstick on the Sephora website. We received the shade Rebound, and they call it a Tuscan Red. So very much a fall shade, right on time. Unfortunately, this kind of a shade tends to pull really orange on me, so this would make it passed along. But a full size of this would be 3.12 milliliters in retail for $19. This is 1.6 milliliters, so it is just about half, and it will have a value of $9.74. Okay, next, from Milk Makeup, and how cute is this little baby? This is the Vegan Milk Moisturizer. I've heard great things about this, and I've never tried it. I've tried other Milk Makeup products, as you know, but I haven't tried their Milk Moisturizer. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried it and what you think of it, because I hear really good things about it. It is available at retail in 2 sizes, 48 milliliter that retails at $38, a 15 milliliter that retails for $19. This little itty baby guy is 3 milliliters, and the value on this based on the price of the others would be about $3.80. Again, not a bad thing to throw in your purse or for travel. Okay, next, from Peace Out, we've got 2 sets of the Dullness One Step Brightening Face Pads. This is the AHA, BHA, PHA once a week resurfacing facial peels. A full size of this would be 8 pads and retail for $24. But they've given us 2, which would be about $6. Good way to try them out before you decide if you want to invest in an entire thing. Something else I'm seeing in here, very cute, is stickers. Some people will really enjoy those. I know some people think it's silly, but some people really enjoy them. And then there is also a card that tells you about the products. It doesn't tell you the values, but it does tell you what's in the box. I didn't see it because it was underneath the items, but so we have 2 more items in here, and this one is from Dermalogica, and it is the Hydro Mask Exfoliant. Now I know I've seen this on Sephora's website in the new products, so I know that this is another, like the Rare Beauty, a new item. The Milk Moisturizer obviously has been around for a while, but certainly at least 2 of these products are fairly new. This is a 2-in-1 hydrating and exfoliating mask that intensely moisturizes and visibly retexturizes to reveal smooth, healthy, luminous-looking skin. Full size on this would be 50 milliliters, retail for $60. This sample is 7 milliliters, so that gives it a value of about $8.40. Okay, our last product is one that I am so excited to get to share with you because it's one that I use myself, that I swear by, that I probably don't use as much as I should because it is a little pricey. But it is from Olaplex, and this is the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector. Olaplex is a salon-based hair care system. It's got to do with, it's all science. It's got to do with the bonds in your hair, particularly when you're putting your hair under stress with coloring or bleaching or anything like that. Steps 1 and 2, I think with the original, and they were in salon only. Step 1 is put in, like mixed in with your bleach or whatever, and to help protect the hair, and then step 2 has to do with rebuilding the bonds or strengthening the bonds after the treatment. And then there were steps 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 7, and they've added a 0 as well, that all are done at home. And 4 and 5 are shampoo and conditioner, 6 is a leave-in conditioner, and 7 is an oil. Number 3 is a concentrated treatment that strengthens the hair from within, reduces breakage, supposed to improve its look and feel. Use it once a week, or if your hair is really damaged, 2 or 3 times a week. You put it on damp hair before you showered, like you wet your hair and you put it on, and generously from the scalp all the way to the ends, and leave it on, they say, for at least 10 minutes, longer if desired. I will actually put my hair up in a disposable plastic shower cap, leave it on for like a half an hour sometimes if my hair was really feeling like it needs some help. And then you rinse it, shampoo and condition, and of course they recommend that you shampoo with their shampoo and conditioner, which is the number 4 and number 5, and then continue on from there. But it is a pre-shampoo treatment, and it is amazing. My hair, after I bleached it, if you remember before I got it colored recently, my hair was really, really blonde. It's because I bleached the life out of it in the beginning of quarantine, because I was like, the whole world is ending. I'm going to bleach my hair and go pink. I was pink for a while. I was purple for a while. It got a little nutty. And then I, came to my senses. But from bleaching it, my hair is already fairly thick, fairly dry. So yeah, it was pretty coarse. It was in bad shape. And then I started using the Olaplex, and it has been a game changer for me. Right here, my number 3. This is the full size 100 milliliter bottle. You can see this one is mostly used. That's why it's sitting on its cap. Also sitting here, right next to it, is my number 6, which is the leave-in reparative styling cream. So yes, I'm not kidding when I say that I use these products. So yeah, one that I really, really recommend, especially for anybody who's got damaged hair or that does any kind of chemical processing to their hair. I'm assuming like heat styling, anything. It doesn't have to be, but a game changer finding Olaplex. But yeah, it's pricey. That full size that I showed you, this 100 milliliter bottle, retails for $28, which is why I don't do it as often as I should. This is a deluxe sample, 30 milliliters. with a value of $8.40. Totally worth trying out if anybody has issues like that with their hair. Okay, so that is the Sephora Favorites Pop Box. The current one as of mid-October. And we got the Rare Beauty Primer. We got the Melt Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick. We got the Milk Makeup Itty Bitty Milk Moisturizer. We got 2 of the Peace Out Peel Pads, the Dermalogica Exfoliant, and the Olaplex No. 3 treatment, along with some stickers. And again, this box was $15. Total value of what came in here, $41.01. So I think it was a pretty good box. I think you got to try some really cool items. If you've had any interest in trying, for example, the Rare Beauty, you don't see brand new items in these kind of boxes. So that was pretty cool. You know, again, for me, the Olaplex, amazing product, and again, chance to try other ones. So let me know what you think. Have you tried any of these items? Have you bought these pop boxes before? This is the first time I've bought a pop box since they switched over from the Play subscription to the pop box. So let me know what you think. Do you think this is something that I should continue to look at? The good thing is you know what's in them beforehand. It's not like the subscription boxes where you don't know what you're going to get. Tell you right on the website. So you can have an idea of what's in there, whether things that you might be interested in. Again, they are all sample sizes, but for $15, 6 different samples is pretty good. What do you think? Is it worth it? Is it something I should continue to get and unbox to you guys? Let me know what you think. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe. Please be kind to yourself. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.